Hello viewers, thanks for watching. Now we're gonna learn how to use CSS. CSS means cascading style sheet. HTML is responsible to display the web page. The structure of the web page depends on the HTML, and CSS is responsible to show how will be the web page layout. That means you can design your web page by using CSS3. You can use CSS in three different ways. Those are inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. At first, let's see how to use inline CSS. In this heading 2, we're going to use inline CSS. How to use it? After this is to type style, color, maybe blue, and on the S4 style, then color, then colon, red, and visit the web page. See, heading 2 color is blue and the heading 4 color is red. So this way you can use inline CSS. It's very easy to use. Color is the property and red is the value. You need to put the property and value inside this double quotation. This is one way you can use the inline CSS. Also, you can use internal CSS. How to use internal CSS? You need to use the style in between these head tags. So after this title, write style, and in between this opening and closing style tags, we need to write our CSS. You need a selector, property, and value. Suppose for this paragraph we want to do some work, so you need a selector P, then you need to put the property and value in between curly brace. Property is color, the color is green, so this is the property and the green is the value. So you can use many properties inside these curly braces. If you want to use two property, then after this semicolon you need to put the next one. So now background color is black. Ctrl S and check it in the web page. See, the paragraph text color is green and the background is black. So in the same selector P, we can use many properties and values. Suppose we want to use the font size as well. So font size 20 pixel. Check it in the web page. See, the font size is changed. Let's put 40. It's very big. So in the same selector we can use many property and values. So this is the internal CSS. So it is very easy to use inline CSS. Also internal CSS as well, very easy to use. But the problem is when we need to use lots of entry, or when our file grows bigger and bigger, that time it will be very hard to use the internal or the inline CSS. So the best way to use the CSS is external CSS. So that's all for today. In our next video, we're gonna learn how to use external CSS. So stay with me for the next video.